Kenneth Udeze-led Action Alliance has hailed the Supreme Court for putting an end to the protracted leadership tussle rocking the party. The Apex Court specifically dismissed a suit challenging the Chief Udeze-led National Working Committee of the AA. However, while addressing journalists at the Supreme Court premises in Abuja, Barrister Kenneth Udeze said the dismissal of the case has settled the leadership crisis in the party.
I've arrived at that point in the history and the life of our party Action Alliance. The Court of Appeal, having looked at the appeal, upheld the judgment of Justice Smith on the ground that it is evident that the national chairman of Action Alliance remains Barrister Kenneth Udeze. The appellant was aggrieved and quickly run to the Supreme Court. We joined issue with them. Remember, the core issue is the fact that it was the leadership of Chief Kenneth Udeze that fielded the candidate in Edo. And when we joined issue with him, on the course of this hearing, the appellant could not join issue with our response. He left his appeal waiting. And the Supreme Court, in its wisdom, after waiting for this appellant for a very long time, considering the fact that this is a pre-election matter, this court, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, dismissed the said appeal that was filed before it.
According to him, the focus of the party is the 2027 elections.
In page 14, the Court of Appeal said, on the status of Chief Barrister Kenneth Udeze, there is evidence that the FCT High Court judgment recognized him as the national chairman of the second respondent in Exhibit 1. The said judgment was affirmed by the Court of Appeal in Exhibit 3, see page 70 to 137 of the Record of Appeal. In evaluating the said SB, the learned trial judge held thus. In other words, as long as Exhibit 1 and 3 subsists, the position of Chief Udeze as the national chairman of Action Alliance remains settled. And he has the powers and authority to lead the National Executive Committee of Action Alliance to conduct the primary election of the party for the Edo State 2024 governorship election. The above holding of the learned trial judge cannot be faulted. There is no doubt that the said Chief Barrister Kenneth Udeze is the national chairman of the second respondent, that is Action Alliance. This is the judgment of the Court of Appeal that was brought before the Supreme Court of Nigeria for the Supreme Court to dismiss. This appeal has been dismissed today, and it has settled every issue that has to do with the leadership of the party. Now, we are gearing up towards 2027 election. There is nothing like hurdle or anything that can stop us from moving forward.
Udeze also called on the public to disregard any further distraction and disturbances from the expelled members of the party as a result of this latest ruling of the Supreme Court.